That's your book of nursery rhymes. Okay?
Let's check out this one.
You can put all your stuff inside. Put all your Dr. McStuffins things in there.
What's wrong, Handsome? Are you hungry? You're what? I'm not really so attached to taking pictures.
Come on, smile. Yeah, that's it. Eric, go down.
Look at your hair. Look at your hair.
I know I need a haircut.
Well, you have your beanie on, so it's like all flat and it's poking up in the front. What is that, baby?
She sits on this little heart and it lights up. See? There's that. And look, I'll show you, sweetie. You can look at your x-rays. See, there's inside. There's another one. This is another x-ray.
Why you bring your other with you, fool? I did.
And then you can, these go in here. And this is...
Which one is this?
Oh, the other way. This goes on the outside. See this thing right here? See this little thing right here? That's how you put it in. Okay? And then you pull it out. Pull. Pull. Pull easy.
I put it like this.
Uh-huh. Because it's upside down. So look at, I want you to look at it. Look at it. See the shirt is upside down. You want it to be right side up. Good job. Push in. She has butterflies in her tummy.
Do you got any grocery bags, Mama?
Yeah. Underneath the stove. Under the stove, not the oven.
The stove right here.
Oh, you don't have no plastic ones, Mom?
Oh, I have plastic bags. Show them where the plastic bags are. Are you
Plastic bags over there under that one.
The Band-Aid?
Yeah.
And I'm going to get her a
You gonna give me a checkup? Give Granny a checkup?
Now you've got all the checkup stations. You've got the mobile.